How to convert Rankine to Fahrenheit. 0 degrees Rankine equals 459.67 degrees Fahrenheit. Therefore, to convert Rankine to Fahrenheit, we subtract 459.67 from the number of Rankine. For example, to convert 1000 Rankine to Fahrenheit, we would subtract 459.67 degrees from 1000. Therefore, 1000 degrees Rankine equals 540.33 degrees Fahrenheit. The calculation is straightforward, so you can attempt it yourself, or you could use the conversion calculator linked to in the description of this video. Here we can see 0 degrees Rankine equals minus 549.67 degrees Fahrenheit. Or that 1000 degrees Rankine, like in the previous example, does indeed equal 540.33 degrees Fahrenheit.